Hello and welcome everyone to this new video. In this video we are going to solve LeetCode easy level question, and the question is search insert position. So in this question you will be given an input array and a target value, and you have to return the index where it is present in that array or where it should be present if it is not already there. Okay, so in example first we have 5 at index 0 1 2, so our output is 2. And in example 2, here we don't have target value in this array, so 2 should be at second position, so index will be 0 and 1, so we are returning 1. And also it is mentioned in the question that the array is already sorted. Okay, so first of all what you can think is, like, you can iterate over the whole array and you can see for each element. Like I am at index 1, I can see for index 2 and 1, if the particular element is greater than my index 1 and lesser than my next index, then the index should be this next. Okay, so this will take O of n time. Okay, so that is very simple and basic approach, but today we are going to learn binary search for this type of questions where the given array will be sorted. Okay, so binary search will take O of log n time, which is way lesser than O of n. So in binary search what we do is, instead of going through whole array one by one, which will take O of n time, we will try to divide our array in two parts. Okay, so let's go through this test case. So in this test case we have four values 1 3 5 and 6, and our target is 5. So for that, first of all we'll calculate mid, which will be start plus end by 2. Okay, and after that our mid for this case is 0 plus 3, so our start will be from starting of the array, which is 0 index, and end will be the size minus 1, which is index equals to 3. Okay, so our mid will be 0 plus 3 by 2, which will be 1. So this will be our mid, and we'll check the target value with the mid value. So our target is greater than this value, that means our target value will be in the right half of our array, because our array is sorted, it is already mentioned in the question. Okay, so we will just look over this portion of the array. So in each step what we are going to do is, we are going to reduce the size of our array by half. Okay, so we'll see to the right half of this array. Okay, now we will see to 5 and 6. Our new mid will be 2 plus 3 by 2, that will be equals to 2. Okay, so we'll now have to check for the index 2. So our index 2 is equals to our target value, so we'll return our target value. Okay, and suppose if instead of 5 we have to find position for 4. Okay, so first of all our first step will be mid will be 1, and as 4 is greater than 3, we'll check for the right half of the array. Now for the target value, our target value is lesser than our this mid, for this will be 2, so the value at mid is greater than our target value. So what we have to do is, we have to see to the left half of the array, and which is empty, so we have to return 2. Okay, and if you can see, it is also correct, 4 should come here, so which is index 2. So I hope everyone understood the logic behind binary search. For the sorted array, what we are going to do is, we are just going to check at the mid portion of the array. If the value is lesser, then we will go to the left half, and if our required value is greater, then we will go to the right half. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. So here first of all I will declare integer start as 0 and as nums dot size minus 1, and my answer as 0. Okay, after that I am going to run a while loop while my start is less than or equals to my end. then I am going to calculate mid, that will be equal to start plus end divided by 2. Okay, and after that what we are going to do is this bracket. Okay, so we had our integer start, end and answer all initialized. Then while start is less than end, we'll take int mid as start plus end by 2. And now what we are going to check, if our nums mid is less than our target. Okay, so what we are going to do here is answer equals to mid plus 1. We are going to update our answer, and we will going to update our start as mid plus 1. Okay, else we don't have to update our answer, we just have to update our end, which will be mid minus 1. Okay, and at the end we have to return answer. Okay, so let's try running our code. Okay, so let's submit it. So this was very simple binary search based approach. I hope everyone understood and enjoyed this video. So till next video, bye bye.